Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video tonight, I wanted to keep things pretty straightforward because there is a chance that tomorrow could bring some good trade opportunities. Now, I say that because we have the quarter end, which could bring nothing. It could be a sideways day. I want to allow for that. But there's also the chance that, as positions come unwound here at this quarterly end, you could see a little more volatility. So as I want to start heading into Friday, I want to look at the move down that we had, the little midday bounce, and you can see that corrective move when compared to the low of the day and then advancing forward leaves you right there about the 3650. So I like that for a technical reason. I like that for the options implications, right? 3650 could be an important kind of above or below kind of level. So what I would like to see, or at least what I think would be more in line with my overall thought process, is that we open up tomorrow below this level, continue to respect 3650 as resistance, and then fail down into something like 3550. So that's the path that I would prefer, that I think would be the most fun to trade if we could see that come through. If instead we open up above this, you have to kind of look at it and gauge the conviction, which sometimes will take a little bit of the morning. It's also a spot where I believe you can flip back over to the dollar and use this to help you. So if tomorrow, if we've got the dollar down, another %, you got a bar looking something like this, well, then equities could have the wind to their backs, and you could see a rally in stocks just because the dollar is giving a little bit of breathing room. But if instead the dollar has a little bit more of a bid, well, then that's going to help that bearish pattern play out. So again, going to be looking to currencies, see what they do overnight, along with bonds, depending on what we see there. Looking to the 3650 is an important above or below. More emphasis on playing it lower. But if the day is clearly bullish, maybe you get back into 3700, 3720 would fill the gap. And then from there, I would become very interested in that more lower. I told you I wanted to focus mostly on that SPX idea and using the dollar to kind of help gauge those decisions. But there's a big part of it where I just don't see anything terribly constructive in Apple just yet. So I'm looking for down into 138 for Apple. If we can see that continuation of what has been some pretty violent breaks, I think that'll help that S&P with that bearish path. And that's how I'm going to be focusing my end of week, end of quarter trading. So I hope you found it helpful. You guys have a good end of the quarter, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.